examples are integrate or find the antiderivative of the following with respect to x. First example is one integration of sec x plus tan x into dx. See, 1 marks question. These two are 1 marks questions. Nothing is there here. Multiply just sec x into sec x, we get sec x square x plus sec x into tan x dx. Okay. And we know the integration of sec x square x. Sec x square x is tan x. We can write directly. And integration of sec x tan x, we get what it is sec x plus 1 marks question. Simple. If you know the integration, you can do it. Next, better for doing the integration, take a chart of the formula so that you can easily understand. Cosec x we get cosec square x plus multiply cosec x into cot x. Cosec x into cot x dx. Okay. Integration of cosec square x formula is minus cot x. And integration of cosec x cot x is minus cosec x plus this is the part. Next, integration of root of 1 minus sin 2x. See, we have to remove this root. For that remove root, we can do 1 means what it is? Sin square x plus cos square x. Did you understand? That 1 you can write sin square x plus cos square x minus sin 2x formula. Sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x dx. Okay, means this is exactly in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. A is sin x, b is cos x. A square plus b square minus 2ab nothing but what it is? A minus b the whole square. Means we can write this one as root of a is sin x, b is cos x. We can write sin x minus cos x the whole square dx. Square and root get cancelled. Left is integration of sin x minus cos x dx. And we know that integration of sin x is minus cos x. And minus as it is cos x integration is sin x plus. It similarly you can do this one also. I will do this example as homework. Next, this one very simple example. To as it is do the integration of cos x dx minus 3 as it is do the integration of sin x dx. Okay. 2 integration of cos x is sin x minus 3 integration of sin x is cos x. Then sin x is minus cos x. Therefore minus and minus become plus 3 cos x plus. Okay. Next, here 3 as it is do the integration of cos x square x dx minus 8 as it is do the integration of cot x dx plus 4 as it is do the integration of tan x dx plus integration of 1 by x dx. Okay. 3 as it is integration of cos x square x. Cos x square x is minus cot x plus minus 8. Cot x integration is log sin x. Log sin x plus 4 integration of tan x integration is log sec x. Log of sec x 1 by x is log x plus. Okay, we have done all the examples, and such examples are asked in the exam for 1 marks or maximum 2 marks. Okay. Next is method of substitution. Substitution. Method of integrals of the power. Integrals of the power. Integrals of the power. Ax plus b to the power n dx, and another is integration of sine of ax plus b dx. See, method of substitutions or integrals of the power ax plus b to the power n dx sine of ax plus b dx. We'll do one by one. Okay, first one is given integration of ax plus b to the power n dx. Okay, this is the example is in the form of function of function, and in that we are taking in the differentiation. We are doing first one differentiation, okay, next second one, next third one, that type of. But here integration we are taking by the method of substitution. See, this whole thing to the power n is given, okay, and what is this is ax plus b. We are taking by using the method of substitution. Consider that ax plus b is t. What we are taking? Ax plus b as t. Do the differentiation. Differentiate dx with respect to t. Correct? Because your function is x and it is given in the form of dx. Therefore, what we are doing here differentiation with x with respect to t. Then a as it is, correct? A as it is, and x differentiation we know that dx, and constant b 0, and this is dt. Means dx is equal to what? dt by t. Correct. Means this calculated as integration of this whole thing is what? T to the power n dx. What is dx? dt by t. And we are taking 1 by a outside constant. It is integration of t to the power n dt. Means another function is exist. That function is in the form of t. And we know that integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Instead of all x here given t, therefore we are applying this 1 by a t to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus, or it is 1 by a. What is our t? Please remember that after doing the integration, the value of t we have to substitute. The value of t is what here? Ax plus b. We have to write ax plus b to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus. In this way we can do the which form? Method of substitution. Means if it is in the form of function, we can't do the integration directly. Whatever given, that one we are taking the substitution. This is here ax plus b substitution, and we are taking another variable, that is t. Do the differentiation x with respect to t. Why we are doing? Because this is given in the form of dx. Next, a as it is, x differentiation dx, and it is dt. dx is dt by, and substitute here. This whole thing is t to the power n. dx is dt by a, and t to the power n integration is 2 to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Replace t as x. Therefore, we get the same value of the integration. In this way, we can do the example if it is in the form of function of function. Next, after doing this one, now we will take another one. That is integration of sine of ax plus b. Correct. Integration of sine of ax plus b. Sine of ax plus b. Just concentrate. Sine differential, sine integration we know that. But this function is a, this angle should be what it is in the form of variable. Means we will get it is again in the form of function of function. And this one we can't do integration. Therefore, we are taking this one is the substitution. Let consider ax plus b is t. As you will say, do the differentiation x with respect to t. A as it is, x differentiation is dx, constant is 0, we get it is dt. Okay, then dx is what? dt by, and here substitute integration of sin t dx is dt by a, and take 1 by a outside, integration of sin t d 1 by a as it is, sin t integration is what? Minus cos t plus minus 1 by a cos, what is our t? T is ax plus t. Therefore, we got the answer is x. And I will give examples based on that so that you can easily understand based on such type of examples. Okay, see, first example, I will take integration of 2x plus 3 to the power 4 dx. Integration of 2x plus 3 to the power 4 dx means exactly it is in the form of ex plus b to the power n. Okay, for this what we are doing, substitution, put 2x plus 3 is t. Correct. Instead of ax plus b here given 2x plus 3. And do the differentiation. Differentiate x with respect to t. 2 as it is, x is dx, constant is 0, we get dt. dx is dt by, correct. Therefore, we can write this as integration of, this whole thing is t to the power 4, dx is dt by 2. Let's take 1 by 2 outside, integration of t to the power 4 t. Okay, or 1 by 2 t. What is your t? 2x plus 3, substitute 2x plus 3 to the power 4 plus, this is the, this is how we can do the integration. Or else we can do directly also. How I will take this? Integration of 2x plus 3 to the power 4 dx it is given. Just similar answer you get. See, this whole thing you assume that this whole thing is t. Correct? T to the power 4. I'm sorry, t to the power 4 integration is what? T to the power 5 by 5. I have not done integration here. Please try to do that integration. See, this whole thing we consider t. Assume that. Okay. This is holds good if and only if x is a which type? Linear. Please concentrate. If x is linear and it is multiplied by some constant and added or subtracted by another number, then we can do it directly. Just concentrate. What is your x? X is multiplied by 2. That one we are taking 1 by 2. Please concentrate. Whatever x is there, that one we are taking multiplied. And this is whole thing assume that t to the power 4. T to the power 4 integration. Correct? T to the power 4 integration is what? 2x plus 3 to the power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. Correct? Plus c. Means we can do direct integration. 1 by 2. 2x plus 3 to the power 5 by 5 plus c. Okay? Means we can do it directly. Either by using the method of substitution rule or else we can do it directly. Any method we can apply. Better we will do directly so that we can easily solve the example. Next 3 examples I will give. Next example is 8x integration of 8x minus 1 to the power 5 dx. Correct. Just concentrate what I explained here. X is multiplied by what? 8. That one we are taking the denominator. Just now I explained. And 8x minus 1 we are taking what? It is t. T to the power 5. T to the power 5 integration is what? 5 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1. Plus. Correct. Or else we can write 8x minus 1 to the power 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. Right? 6 into 8, 14. Plus, you can do it like this. Okay, another one example I will take. 1 minus 6x to the power 2. Correct. See, x is multiplied by what? Minus 6. That one we are taking denominator. Minus 1 by 6. And 1 minus 6x square. Square integration is what? 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Plus, you can do directly. We get minus 3 into 6, 18. Minus 1 by 18. 1 minus 6x by 3 plus 6. Okay, in this way we can do so many examples. Okay, either use method of substitution or else directly holds rule if and only if x is multiplied by some constant and compulsory the power of x should be 1. If the power of x should be 1, then only we can do, otherwise not possible. Okay. Next one, integration of sine of 2x plus 3 dx. See, sine integration we know that it is minus cos, but it is function of function, and this 2x plus 3 we can't do directly integration. Therefore, we have to do the what method of substitution. Put 2x plus 3 is t, the same form. Instead of ax plus b, it is given 2x plus 3. Differentiate x with respect to t. 2 dx, constant is 0, dt, dx is dt by. Okay, then do the integration. Integration sin t dt by 1 by 2 integration of sin t dt. 1 by 2 integration of sin t is minus cos t plus t. It's minus 1 by 2 cos of t is what? 2x plus 3 plus 6. Okay, this is how we can do the method of integration. And this one also we can do directly. The direct form is very simple. I will tell you how. Sine of 2x plus 3 dx. Correct. See, x power is 1, means it is linear, and x is multiplied by 2. That what I mentioned, if it is multiplied, that one we are taking in the denominator 1 by 2. And this whole thing you consider as t, sin t. Okay, and we know that integration of sine is what? Minus cos. We can write directly minus cos 2x plus 3 plus c. Means we can write directly minus 1 by 2 cos of 2x plus 3 plus c. Instead of doing this lengthy process, we can do it that. Okay. Next, I will take integration of sin 6x dx. See, x is multiplied by 6, means that one we are taking in the denominator. Correct. Sin integration is what? Minus cos. We can write directly minus cos 6x plus c. Means we can write minus cos 6x plus 6 plus c. Okay, next integration of cos 6x dx. Okay, 6 is multiplied 1 by 6. Integration of cos is what? It is sin 6x plus 6. if any constant is a angle, that one we are taking in the data. This is how you can do the examples. Okay, thank you.